What's up, racers and collectors? CD here. We've got a rainy day in Florida, which makes for a great day for racing. Heat number 6. Last heat of this tournament. Here's a look at the winners of heats 1 through 5. We need to add one more to this group, and then it's on to tournament number 3, which will be starting off with something like this. I bought a case of Matchbox, and we're going to be doing an unboxing on those soon enough. But today, I thought we'd race some classics. Nothing later than 1970. So let's take these out and take a closer look and get them started. Now, once again, we're starting things off with a bang here. 62 Corvette Gasser. This one is amazing. This is going to be our lane number 1 car. You can't go wrong with a Gasser. They're always fast. That's going to be lane number 1. Lane number 2, just picked this up this morning. 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. I like the green color. You don't see white walls on tires very often anymore, but it actually kind of looks pretty cool on this one. That's going to be lane number 2. Lane number 3. 32 Ford. They don't get much older than that. It may be small, but don't let the size fool you. And it's going to be pretty fast on the track. Lane number 3. Over in lane number 4, classic 55 Chevy Nomad. I do like the color scheme on this one. I'm not sure about the pink windshield, but still a pretty cool car. Lane 4. Over in lane 5, 68 Mercury Cougar. Beautiful color. And that is going to be lane number 5. And by the way, I know I'm probably talking over a lot of raindrops on the roof, but hopefully it's not affecting the audio too much. All the way over lane 6, 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. I love the Falcon livery. That's cool. All the way over lane 6. Let's get these guys up on the track. What classics are on the track, ready to go? If you're a betting man, I'd go with that Gasser. Always fast. But a few of these I haven't raced on a track yet before, so it remains to be seen. But we're going to light them up and get them down this track. Well, we knew that Corvette Gasser was going to be fast, and it is. Ran away from the field, all except for the Mustang, which got a really slow start. Kicked in some horsepower at the end there. Nearly caught the Corvette. We switched up the lanes, and I put the Corvette and the Mustang right next to each other. Let's see what happens. You can really hear the rain coming down now, but it didn't stop that 62 Gasser from pulling out a win. It is now the 6th winner of this tournament. We have a full group now, so we will be heading to the finals. We have time for a bonus race. But before we do that, here's a quick look at what this Corvette Gasser will be up against in the finals. And that's a look at what cars will be racing for the finals. That race will be held this week, so stick around for that. And the car that Prince probably would have loved, it's a little red Corvette, Gasser. I think we should race some other Gassers against him for our bonus race. How about it looks like it will be its teammate, 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. The 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone Gasser. The Passin Gasser. The Volvo P1800 Gasser. And the 64 Chevy Nova Gasser. All of these have been proven to be pretty fast. Let's put them up against each other and have a quick race with them. Take a look at all those big motors. Had to be real careful putting them on the track because some of their front ends are so high up that they almost go over the gate. But they're ready. Let's race them. Well, I feel like I'm having to yell over this rain because it is really coming down now, but that 64 Nova is fast. It's been moved over to lane 1. The others have been switched up. Let's send them down and see if the Nova can take it. Well, Volvo got a heck of a start, but it wasn't enough to catch the 64 Nova. That is the winner of our bonus Gasser race. Hey, I appreciate you coming by, joining me in the rain for the races. Finals are coming up this week. Stick around for that. Please feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to reach me directly. FrugalDiecaster@gmail.com.